Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages made easy, coming to you live with the final mortgage and interest rate update for the year. And no news guys, 6-month rate still 5.99, 1 year rate still 5.69. So no changes, and I don't see any changes to interest rates now until probably once everyone's back in the new year and the members of the various pricing committees are back from the banks in the new year. Probably, I don't think we'll see any changes. And look, I do think we'll see some cuts in the new year because the GDP figures released today were worse than expected. The Fed in the US, they cut their cash rate over there. They did say though that next year there might not be as many cuts over there because thus the economy is still going strong. So we'll see what happens there. But our data here isn't good, and the next OCR is for the 19th of February. And I can tell you nothing's been priced in the rates yet for any cuts. So there's definitely room for interest rates to fall further in 2025, but I suspect there'll be incremental falls, but hopefully at some stage next year we'll see some of the longer term rates with a 4 in front of it. So I'm picking we might start seeing some rate cuts in New Zealand in the fixed rates sometime in mid to late February. That's when I think we'll see them, so we'll see how well this video ages. So if you've got a loan coming up for renewal in the new year, definitely speak to your advisor. If you've got a loan coming up in late February, early March, even more reason to speak to your advisor and get some advice about refixing it closer until that time. If you've already got a loan that's up for renewal at the moment and you're struggling with it being on floating, again, you want to have a talk with your advisor and make sure you're fixing in for what's the best situation for you. I'm just talking generically here guys, you've got to get your own independent advice for you and your circumstances. But I'm picking that we'll see some further cuts in February, mid to late February, because the data here is not good. In terms of mortgages and people putting in offers, we have had an offer accepted on a property, had a few this week, so offers are still being placed. Even though it's the end of the year, we're telling everyone to put 15 or 20 working days for finance condition, depending when your lawyer's back. But I'll be working through and helping those clients get their details through to the bank. But I don't think there'll be, I don't think there's going to be an uptick in prices because there's still a lot of job uncertainty in Wellington. Yes, interest rates will be falling, but that's going to be offset against the economic woes that the country is facing and people's concerns about employment and stable employment. Spoken to a number of real estate agents. There's some that are going to be putting listings on the week of the 6th of January, 6th, 13th and 20th. So it looks like there'll be a lot of stock coming on the market in the new year. So if you're a buyer that's been waiting, get ready, because it sounds like there'll be a lot of new listings hitting the market in January. So that's good news for those in Wellington. Anyway guys, I'm going to sign off. If I've got anything of importance, I'll be jumping on live to these channels to update you. In the meantime, thank you for all your support. Thank you to all my clients that have trusted me with your lending needs this year. It's been a pleasure and a privilege to have been able to assist you. And for those that we're still doing business, looking forward to closing those deals with you in the new year. And for any new clients, look forward to working with you in the new year. In the meantime, enjoy our beautiful winter Wellington Christmas. Look at that. Ka kite. God bless you all.